Ula.
O Reverend Ula, I want to give shape to the dream of my father, King Jamyang Namgyal. Time has come to build a palace at the hillock on the Semo Ridge. Like my father Jamyang Namgyal desired, it should be so tall and formidable that anyone coming to Leh should be able to see its grandeur from miles away.
I have traveled many kingdoms in far distant places. I have seen prosperity wherever the good word of Lord Buddha has reached. Build a palace like a flowing robe of the Lama, Shamtak, O King. Let the air brushing its walls carry the message of Lord Buddha.
Hearing such encouraging words, King Senge Namgyal left no stone unturned to build the most formidable fortress palace of that era in the entire Buddhist region.